Hello, my name is Jason Gonzalez,
And I'm Edwin Lamonte.
and we're going to be talking about Albert Einstein. Albert Einstein was born in a place in Germany called Ulm.
Albert Einstein was born March 14, 1879. His mother was Pauline Einstein, and his father was Hermann. In Germany, Albert Einstein studied at the Loophole Gymnasium. He later moved to Italy and studied at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic School. He studied to become a physics and mathematics teacher.
In 1902, Einstein reached the lowest point in his life. He could not support a family because he couldn't pay without a job, and his father's business went bankrupt. He was so desperate that he took lowly jobs to tutoring children. He wasn't good at that, so he got fired from those jobs. After unable to get a teaching degree in mathematics and physics, he later accepted to get the position of a technical assistant in the Swiss patent office.
Theories about photoelectrics, Brownian motion, special relativity, and equivalence of matter
Photoelectric
and
effect
energy.
is the emission of electrons or other free carriers when light shines on a material.
The Brownian motion, the erratic random movement of microscopic particles in a fluid. Special relativity is the generally accepted and experimentally well confirmed physical theory regarding the relationship between space and time.
The equivalence of matter and energy is Einstein's formula for the equation E equals to mc squared, because there is a large amount of energy in
E
matter.
equals to mc squared led to further inventions like nuclear power and nuclear weapons.
And Einstein also guessed that the speed of light was absolute, and that's why we have at this time Albert Einstein invented two things. Those things are the refrigerator and the gas absorption heat pump. Nowadays, the refrigerator is used by everybody because people need to keep their food and beverages cold. The heat pump is used to warm things. Albert Einstein has 10 awards.
Actually, he had 7 awards. Those awards include the Nobel Prize of Physics that was won in 1921, the Copley Medal, which was won in 1925, the Max Planck Medal, which was won in 1929, and the Franklin Medal that was won in 1953. Now I'm going to pass it over to my big friend that knows how the rest of them.
Alright, he also won the gold medal of Royal Astronomical Society in 1926, Medici Medal that was won in 1921, and the Barn Medal for meritorious service to science. On April 17, 1955, Albert Einstein died from an abdominal burst. The abdominal burst created internal bleeding and severe pain. He went to Princeton Hospital here in New Jersey, but he refused further medical.
These are some facts you may not know about Einstein. It took 9 years for him to get into a job in academics. He offered his wife the Nobel Prize as part of their divorce settlement. Cool, right? The FBI spied on him for decades. Einstein urged the building of the atomic bomb and later became a proponent in nuclear disarmament. He was asked to be president of Israel. Einstein's brain was stolen after his death by Thomas Harvey.
Albert Einstein was very smart, and you might be wondering how his theories and inventions affected the future. One of his inventions that affected the future was the theories of reality. Because of that, and today we now know new ways of looking in time, space, matter, energy, and gravity. Because of him, we know how to approach the situation, and that's how we have satellites in space, and that's why we have phones and many other electronics.
Overall, Einstein is a very smart guy, and he's done a lot for us.
And if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have had the things we have now.
It's your boy, Edwin,
And Jason.
and we're out!
Albert Einstein had 10 awards.
At
I forgot.
Albert Einstein's medals include the Gold Medal of the Royal Astronomical Society, the Mitsubishi Medal Look, they're gonna laugh at it.
Which is a car, bro.
I know. We'll edit some cards. Albert Einstein was born March 14, 1879, in Germany.
She's still lost. See, look at that door she went to. She's not at the window. She's still lost.
In Germany, Albert Einstein.
Albert Einstein died on April 17, 1959.
That's a blooper.